All right, so Panopto is your proctoring program. Instead of having an in-person proctor and having to deal with all of that, we do this. This just verifies that you are who you say you are, and you're taking your own exam. To open this, you're going to come over here to the left where it says Panopto Recordings, and you'll click on that. The first time that you do it, you should see a thing here that says Summer Session 2 in the same classes, Physics 1600 or 1602, depending on which class you're in. The first time that you do this, you're going to click on Create and Record New Session. And you might have to download Panopto. So the first thing is to download it and then install it. And then from then on, if it doesn't automatically open, you click on Open Panopto. Typically, it just kind of pops up, and there it is. You don't have to worry about it. So this is Panopto. And this right here is the screen that you will be recording. So you want to come over here and make sure you are capturing computer audio and capturing the main screen. You can uncheck Capture PowerPoint because it doesn't really show anything right here, but the screen capture in progress, you can enable that view if you want to, but it's not that big of a deal. So what it's doing is it is recording you right here, and it is recording whatever is on your screen. Now, before you start your exam, you want to make sure that you hit the record button. So we got people forget to do that. So what pops up does not necessarily mean it's recording. So make sure you come up here and hit record, and it will tell you right up here that it is recording. Then show your ID. So just put your ID up here to your webcam. Make sure that it's one that I can see. You just have to verify that it's you. And then you just minimize this. So you'll hide this and go to whichever exam that you are going to be taking. So if you come over here to the pretest, we'll click on the pretest. This is going to be a long day. And then you're just going to go and take your quiz. So once you do that, mine looks a little different. Once you do that, you're done with your exam. Come back over here, and you're going to hit stop. And this recording complete button page will pop up. You want to change the session name. You don't want it to say whatever date that you fixed it. There's a format for this. Put it in the exam title. So this would be the pretest. And then your last name and your first name. And then you will click upload. And when you upload it, it will upload it into the correct folder. You shouldn't have to worry about which folder it's going to go into. And it will tell you right here. So Physics 1600, summer 2018. Now this is going to be, for your pretest, it's not that big of a file, but when you get into your exams, these are a little bit longer, so it will take quite a while. If for some reason your upload stops, or it freezes, or you lose connection, or you're just not in a place where you can upload it very well, you can hit pause. And if you hit pause, that will just save it. So notice down here, there's some other recordings. It is stored on your local machine, so it is still here. So if you need to, you can come back and you can upload it again. You can just restart that. And then you still have those files here, and you can upload them again if you need.